2 inches? Alrighty then. These are the smallest subwoofers I think I've ever seen, at least working ones. But let's put it into some perspective. How's that for perspective? That's a B2 Audio 15 next to a B2 Audio 2. That's quite the difference. Obviously. I'm pretty sure these things weren't made to bass out your car in any way, shape, form, or fashion. They're just for fun. People have been putting them on RC cars and models and things like that and just having fun on the internet, 3D printing boxes and such. So it's a fun little cool little thing to play with. Let's hook it up to an amp and see what it does, see if we can get it moving. Alright, we got the Rage 1600.5 and the B2 Audio 2-inch subs. I say we hook them up. Before I hook up any speaker though, I always use the IMSG Plus. I want to know what the resonant frequency of that speaker is, because anything below that is kind of useless and could even damage the speaker. So let's find out what the FS is. We're looking for that peak. I mean, it looks like around 155 hertz. We'll hook the second one up, because all speakers are a little different. Shouldn't be too far off, but they'll probably be just a little bit different. Yeah, looks like about 159 on this one, 160. So 155, 159 isn't exactly something that you would use for bass, but like I said, it looks cool, and I'm pretty sure that we could probably get it moving, make it look even cooler. All right, so these speakers are 4 ohms each, but they only handle 10 watts, maybe 50 peak. I don't remember what it said, 50 watts peak. So we're gonna wire them up 8 ohms for safety, because I have them on kind of a large amp. We're gonna take the negative from this sub and hook it up to the positive from this sub. We're just gonna twist them bad boys together, just like that. Now we've got a positive and a negative, and we're in series, so we should be at 8 ohms. All right, so if I measure individually, Maybe they're 3 ohm subs. Yep. 3 ohms each, it looks like. But then together, so I should be at 8 ohms, but we're at 6.5, but that's fine. That's kind of typical with speakers. You never know what you're going to get. It's usually pretty close though. All right, let's see what's going on with this. I didn't even mean to do that. Oh, my bad. Oh, how did that? Whoops. I really, truly did not mean to just do that. Caleb. No, I didn't just break it. I sent it. Oh my God. I put this on everything. I did not mean to do that. I don't know if that beat just came in harder. Look what I just did. I can probably glue that thing back. Oh, it's. Oops. Well, I mean, I was giving it a little bit more power than it probably wanted. And they're 10-watt speakers. My bad. These things are fun, though. I'm going to see if I can put that back together. Probably not. Like, the whole spider and everything. Well, maybe. Yeah. I don't know. Damn. Well, this one's still working or what? Let's see. See, we had that hard beat right there going, and all of a sudden it just started romping without me really even. All right. Well, that ain't B2 Audio's fault. That's my fault. All right. Let's see if we can't fix that. Maybe make a little box. All right. So this one's officially sent, but by the way that it's dropping back into place on the top and at the spider, I feel like I could put that back together pretty easily. But it's barely hanging on by a thread over on this side. So I think if I pull that the rest of the way, maybe get that off of there. There we go. Now, yeah, it doesn't look like it's burnt up or anything like that. So we're gonna get a little bit of glue around that spider, activate it up, put it all back together, and it should be working again still. Like I said, that's a 10-watt speaker that probably put, you know, several hundred watts into it on accident. So I'm gonna get this thing all fixed up. It shouldn't be too big of a deal. And what do you think? Should I make a little acrylic box for these? Leave me a comment down below, let me know. We'll make a whole nother video making the box. And for right now, it's out. I'm out. Later.
Thank you.